feel for say? Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hello, my people. I'm not sure if you guys gonna be seeing this video before Christmas or after Christmas. So in any case, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever it is that you guys celebrate. I hope you guys enjoy it to the fullest. Now, this is my time of year. I love Christmas. For me, I love Christmas. I love Christmas. I love Christmas so much. It's just, for me as a Jamaican, the culture is like, it's always the smell of baking in the air. Like we're painting, we're changing curtains, we're decorating. It's just, I just love it. Growing up as a child in Jamaica for Christmas, it's always amazing. Anyways, if you haven't already liked, share, subscribe, please go ahead and do so. I can't wait to go pick up some stuff from Target. Now, for this me look crazy, it's because the place is cold, and as usual, me just trying something to come drop it in my school so I can go back home. This week, I am going to be doing a lot of nothing. Because since August, since we came back from vacation, like it has been just non-stop doing a lot of stuff. I am tired. So today I have a video that I need to edit that hopefully you guys can see this by Wednesday. Today's actually Monday. So hopefully I can edit that for you guys to see on Wednesday, and this I can do for you guys to see this by Saturday before Christmas Day. But this video is all about just showing you bits and pieces of me decorating and getting the house together. I didn't do a lot of recording at all. I told you guys that I will not be doing like separate videos like what I did last year. So it's just bits and pieces of me putting the tree together, getting outside ready, you know, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you drop a comment, like, and share as I said before, alright? So go ahead and tell me what you think about it.
Hey guys!
Yeah. Just untrue.
Put them on the Christmas tree, Mommy.
Alright guys, so I am at Target. I hope you guys enjoyed that clip of my Christmas decor. It's not a lot of footage. I apologize for that, but it was just last week and the week before. It's like just non-stop cleaning the whole house, and we just really couldn't do the whole recording thing. Plus again, I wasn't planning on doing a whole footage completely for everything. So again, I hope you enjoyed it. Next month is my birthday. So big up all of the Aquarian babies them out there. It's my birthday next month. Target people in my clothes. Sorry about that. Target just come drop off the stuff them on me. Order to pick up. So get this, I'm going home. So guys, I was saying to you that next month is my birthday. I really don't have any plans right now as to what I'm gonna be doing. I don't think I have plans for Christmas per se, but all I do know is that I want to do something a little bit different. Like normally for Christmas tradition, Christmas Eve actually. For Christmas Eve, we normally would go to the mall, and then Christmas, and then in the evening we dress up in matching pajamas and stuff like that, and then my husband and I normally just get to give them ready and stuff like that underneath the tree because Santa gonna come. This year I saw this thing that I wanted to take the kids. Like there is some Christmas light thing where you just drive through and you see all the Christmas lights and stuff. So I feel like I want to do that. I'm gonna check it out and see the cost of doing that. And if we still have time, we might still go to the mall. But I'm pushed to go to the mall this year because I like every year we do the same thing, and there's not much at the mall we actually go there. So we want to do that. And the kids them said they actually want to bake cookies. We have never tried that before. We never tried to make cookies in my life. So that's gonna be interesting. So we're gonna bake cookies that I will definitely record. We're gonna bake cookies, goodessa, and I'm here trying to say I want to play Mortal Kombat, so we might play some games because I love like the games are basically like playing PlayStation, all that good stuff. It's basically how me and my husband start dating. Like that was our thing to do when we were dating, to play, and you know, 2-player. But I play NBA. And these are from PlayStation 2, the NBA's there. So like NBA, we used to play Mortal Kombat, Tekken, you know, all those good stuff. So it's like I haven't really played games in a very long time. Let me just lift that up for the kids. I'm trying to play in FIFA or whatever the name. My Tristan is into Fortnite, and you know, TJ is a game and he have a whole computer set film game. But let me say I want to play Christmas Eve night, so let's see what happens. Christmas Day, I really don't have much planned more than get up and cook breakfast. I think I want to do like some ackee and saltfish and all that good thing for Christmas breakfast, and then I want to do like a pot roast. I'm not sure if I'm going to do beef or pork. Maybe beef, because I already do ham. So I want to do a pot roast. I want to do curry goat. I want to do maybe do some fried chicken again, or maybe some fish this time. Ham. I think that's it. I think that's gonna be it. And for the sides, of course we have to do rice and peas, and this time for Christmas we have to do gungo rice and peas. Might do some mac and cheese again because they love that. The potato salad, never did happen. Was not given at all. It was a hot mess. I didn't eat it, nobody ate it. Like I did so much potatoes and it spoiled, people. It spoiled. How you spoil potato? I made the potato and then left it on the stove coming up. I have no space for it, so it get cold. So by the time if I mash it and all these things, it was just soft and ill, and the texture of it was just a hot mess. So my mashed potato just spoiled. So I don't know if I'm gonna do. I might do mashed potatoes again, or just do it right this time, or just do some potato salad. Just mix up the thing a little bit, and of course some vegetables. Maybe some salad this time. So yeah, that's basically where I'm at with Christmas. Nothing special. Of course, we're gonna open up a gift early in the morning. You definitely see that as well. So those things I will record. But in terms of going out, going to anybody's house, no, we'll just be spending it as a family. My son is home for Christmas. TJ is home. He's been home since last week, Friday. So it's exciting to have him home as well. So yeah, that's basically all I have. And then for my birthday, as we said before, I'm not so sure what happened, and people may get hold. So my birthday is coming up. Again, big up to all my Aquarians. People out there, you know, it's the best month and it's the best sign. Hats off. So that's all I have. That's all I have. So again, if you don't see this before Christmas, or if you see this after Christmas, well, happy holidays, happy Christmas, happy Merry Christmas, happy New Year, whatever it is. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your mother, your sister, your brother. And just make this subscriber start flow in. You understand? So until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.